Workshop Wednesday, everybody. What's up? It's cool today. Right, Elijah? We got all the doors open. We're making money. We don't have the air conditioner on. It's good. It's been hot in October, but that's all right. That just means we appreciate this cool weather a little more. Working on spurs. Whoa, dang near dropped you. Glad y'all hung on. Working on the spurs here. It's kind of fun. I found that field quest. Boy, that was a pain in the butt getting that thing. Looked like I got some kind of, I don't know what's on there, but that was a pain in the butt getting all that worked out. What in the world is that scratch right there? I know it's not a scratch. Y'all see that right there between the E and the S? A piece of hair or something there. Surely I wouldn't leave a scratch. Oh yeah, there it went. No, it's still there. It's not a scratch. Y'all don't judge me. I don't know what the heck that is. But anyhow, if it is a scratch, I'll get it out. Anyhow, that getting that field quest, those letters, getting that to look like they were letters and not just blobs. You see over here, I'm working on it. They still look like blobs over there. But it's all good. Cool pair of spurs. Gotta put the rowel in. Gotta drill that hole out a little bigger. That's not the size of the rowel pin. Don't worry. Gotta drill that out a little more. That's fun. We're gonna French gray them, painting, engraving. All be a good deal. Nothing on this side. We spend all our money on the other side, I guess. I'm bad about doing that. Get to draw and get a budget and do the one side. Of course, I always ask. You want anything on both sides, but anyhow, it's fun to get carried away on one side. There we go. We're good though. Well, does my nose, y'all's nose itch? My nose itches. I got it. We're gonna be in Fort Worth on Friday, so y'all come see me. Me and Troy Flayhardy, and Jay Adcock will be there Friday evening. So we'll have at least one of our pieces, one of our award pieces put together. The bridal set that's going to be given to. We got one going to the open bridal class, and we got one going to the world's greatest horseman. Those will be cool deals. We'll put those, have those on display for everybody to look at. At least one of them be put together, waiting on headstall of another. That's all good. We'll get that going. And then that'll be at the NRHA, at the National Range Cow Horse Association office. That'll be going on throughout the year. And then again, it'll be given away in February at the Celebration of Champions on those two classes. So that's cool stuff. I'll have a bridle bit for sale there too. It's going to be all rigged out. If we can get it all put together, the mail and timing and everything was problematic. If I don't have it, at least I'll have a bit there. I'll post some pictures of that guy. And then also have my Cowtown collection bit, which is going to go to the show at Brumbaugh's in November 7th. I'll have that there with me as well for you to look at. And it could be available for purchase, first come, first serve. It'll go through Brumbaugh's show first though. So if you'll buy it, you'll buy it through them. But I'll try to help get that going too. And that one's an economical version. You don't want to say cheap, you don't want to say quickie and all that, but I'll post some pictures of that guy too. So anyhow, I'll come look at that stuff, say hello to me and Troy and Jay. It'll be fun. I think Jay will be there all day Saturday. I'm peeling out and going to a wedding. A good customer and good friend, Thomas Brayman down in Refugio. So I'll be down there hanging out. So if y'all gonna be down there, I'll see you there too. What else we got? Patreon's good. Patreon, right, Eli? Patreon's good. They create clips for me of little snippets of the videos that I'm posting and the posts that I do every day. I need to post more of those. I never do it, but clog up the news feed with little posts. Are y'all's arm tired? Well, mine getting tired right there. Anyhow, yeah, the Patreon's good, and then I've showed process pics all the way through this pair of spurs that y'all see me working on, and videos and all kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna do one right now. As soon as I get done with you guys, I'm going to do one on cleaning up these letters, which it's kind of tricky. It's just tedious. It's little small stuff, so you can't get out the big hammer. Just got to go slow. But that'll all be rocking. That's Patreon's good. So certainly getting lots of people on there. Ways to see what's going on, and it doesn't take a long A lot of them aren't as long as the Workshop Wednesday. You know, they're not too long. Some of them are 15, 20 minutes long. So that's all good. But we'll see y'all next week. I'll be rocking and rolling. I'm starting a new project. We'll get these spurs wrapped up. Next couple of days, we'll start a new project. And got to look at the books. I'm not even sure what it is. But yeah, I hope y'all all good. And we'll see you next week. Adios.